Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Thursday. Oh my gosh, it comes around so quickly, doesn't it? Hey, I was reading an article recently about us baby boomers. Did I tell you that they call us active agers? I'm going to stick with baby boomers. But this is what I know about us, and this is what the article said. We're the largest demographic on the planet right now. Yes, we are. We have seen more change than any other age group. Because technology is moving at such a pace, and it just came in, remember, black and white TV to color TV within our lifetime. I know, right? These young millennials can't even begin to relate to the things that we've seen happen. They just think this is kind of the norm. So not the norm. What it also said in this fabulous article that I was reading is that we're not ready to hang up our roller skates. We're looking for something to do for the second act. Yep, absolutely. We're healthier, we're living longer, we have, things to say, we have wisdom, we have courage, we've had life experience, so many things. Hey, did I tell you that my name is Tammy Moretti, and what do? I help baby boomers. That's what I do. I have a step-by-step. I'm going to read this guide to taking your expertise online to increase your cash flow. Yeah, that's what I do. I love it. It's super fun. So, I'm sure you've all been seeing that there are so many people online. They predicted that in 2022 that the online marketing space business is going to be worth over $242 billion. Hello, would you like a piece of that pie? You're like, yeah, but I can't handle technology. I get it. You know what? I've gone through it all. I've made the mistakes. I have done it, and I am here to save you time and money. But today what I wanted to talk to you about is if you were to think about going online and bringing your expertise to the online market, would you be a network marketer or would you be an online course creator? Today we're going to talk about course creation. I believe that for me is the most fun because I have things that I know how to do really, really well, like you do. You have things that you know how to do really, really well. And there's people out there looking for you, for your expertise, for your wisdom. And they would like to know how to do them as well as you do. So let's say you decided to entertain the thought of going online and creating a course. It may be something like we talked about last week about making great chocolate chip cookies that could become the heirloom of your family and leave a legacy, or cake pops or little red wagons or how to fix things, all the things that we look at online. You have something inside of you that other people don't know how to do as well as you do. There's no way, because that's your passion or that's what you've done for a career for a very long time. Well, you could create a course. You could create a course like a step-by-step system on how to do that. And you could promote that online as a course creator and add extra income to your cash flow, because people will buy when we show up online and we show our expertise. They absolutely will. People go online for lots of reasons, and one of them is for entertainment. They want to be entertained. They want to learn something. And through this pandemic, a lot of us baby boomers didn't have a choice. We had to learn how to use technology so that we could get our needs met, right? That's what we did. We learned how to do Netflix. We learned how to do Facebook. We learned how to work Amazon so we could order all those wonderful things. And it did make our life more fun and easier and got our needs met. Not to mention that our demographic, we have more cash flow. Yes, we do. We have a little bit more disposable income so that we can invest, right? How would you like to invest in yourself a little bit, because it's not as much or as expensive as it would be if you were opening up a storefront or something like that, right? And learn how to create a course to showcase your expertise and add cash flow. I want you to think about that. I gave you some thoughts last week for you to entertain the thought of going online and making extra cash. This week, I'd like you to think about maybe what would you teach. What would you teach? Next week, we're going to talk about what that would look like. I'm Italian. What that would look like, a step-by-step system to show up online and make money selling your expertise. So you can add cash flow, go on the 5-star vacation, like I've said before, pay for your grandkids' college education, cash, maybe move from one state to another, remodel your house, or make sure that you have enough money that you don't outlive your money, right? There's that as well. So this week, I want you to think about, could I create a course? Could I create a course? Next week, we'll talk about what that might look like, a step-by-step process, and then we'll touch on if you're a network marketer and you have a business already with a product or an opportunity, and what that might look like if you showed up online. Okay? So my name is Tammy, and I hope you found some value in this. I hope I triggered some thoughts in your mind that you're contemplating. And if you enjoy this and you have a friend who's been kind of talking about that as well, and you've been having the conversation, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and maybe shoot this out to some of your friends and family. I will be back next Thursday around 12 o'clock to bring you some more ideas, some more thought-provoking questions to ask yourself. Things are changing rapidly, right? And the good news is that we know what we're doing. Us baby boomers, we're smart. Talk to you soon.